Integrated schools seemed like an impossible pipe dream, except to the Brown family.
Somebody had to start it, my father said. Somebody had to take a stand. I remember that my father took me by the hand and we walked together to Sumner School. My father tried to enroll me in the school for the next year, and they told him that I couldn't go there because I was a Negro. Then he asked to see the principal.
When the Reverend Oliver Brown returned home that day, he was extremely angry. His simple request had been denied. He also knew he had to do something dramatic if changes were to take place. So, he went to the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, the NAACP, for assistance. They filed a lawsuit in Topeka in order to seek action through the court on the principle that educational facilities for black children were inadequate. In order to understand what happened next, let me explain some background. Until the Civil War, most black Americans had lived under slavery in the South. The few free blacks in the North usually lived in segregated communities, and this continued until the late 19th century. 20 years after the Civil War, Southern states began enacting so-called Jim Crow laws. These laws began barring blacks, or colored, as they were called then, from most social interaction with white citizens.